Today we're going to meal prep high-protein pancake bowls in 3 yummy flavors. These are my favorite way to meal prep pancakes because they're super quick and easy to make since you save a lot of time as you don't need to individually cook all the pancakes on a pan. We're going to start by making a strawberry chocolate chip flavor. We're going to add all the ingredients into these glass containers. We also use ramekins. For each serving we need 2 eggs. Whoops, I hope this goes better. Next, we need half a cup of high-protein Greek yogurt. The eggs and Greek yogurt bring a lot of protein to these pancake bowls. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or sweetener of choice. I also like to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. But if you don't have it, you can just leave it out. Next, we need 1/4 cup of flour. I like to use oat flour because it's high in fiber. And 2 tablespoons of almond flour. This gives these pancake bowls a cakey flavor and a really soft texture. Then we need about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we just mix everything together. Lastly, we're gonna add sliced strawberries and dark chocolate chips on top. If you're meal prepping these for more than 2 days, I would leave out the strawberries because they can get a bit soggy. And then you can add fresh strawberries on top just before serving. And now we're going to bake these at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Here are the ready strawberry chocolate chip pancake bowls. They look so good. You can serve these with some maple syrup, for example. These pancakes are super soft and yummy, and they contain about 30 grams of protein. Next, we're gonna make chocolate banana pancake bowls. So for 1 serving, we need 1 ripe banana. Then we're gonna mash the bananas. The riper the bananas are that you're using, the sweeter the pancakes will be. Next, we need 2 eggs. For extra protein, we're gonna add 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. If you don't have protein powder, you could use flour instead. Then we need 1 heaped tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder. And lastly, half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we stir well. I'm using a fork as a whisk. Lastly, I add banana slices on top for decoration, but that's totally optional. And now we're gonna bake these also at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Here are the ready chocolate banana pancake bowls. These are pretty sweet because of the bananas and the protein powder, so you might not need to add any toppings. And they are packed with protein. 1 serving contains over 35 grams of protein, so this is a very filling breakfast. Lastly, we're gonna make cheesecake pancake bowls, and we're gonna make the batter in a blender. For 2 servings, we need 1 cup of cottage cheese. If you're not the biggest fan of cottage cheese, don't worry. You can't really taste it in the ready pancake bowls. It just gives them a cheesecake-like flavor. And it's a great source of protein. Next, we need 4 eggs. Oops. Then we need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for flavor, and 1 cup of oats for fiber, and lastly 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we just blend until smooth. And then we pour the batter into the glass containers. For topping, I like to add raspberries and blueberries. I push the berries lightly into the batter so they won't burn. Now we're gonna bake these also at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And last but not least, here are the ready cheesecake pancake bowls. These also contain about 30 grams of protein and some fiber from the oats. But if you wanted to add extra fiber to any of these pancake bowl recipes, you could add, for example, some ground flax seeds or psyllium husk powder to any of the batters. If you're meal prepping these pancake bowls, store them in airtight containers in the fridge. They last in the fridge for a few days. I always like to reheat them in the morning in the microwave for about 1 minute. I'll add the written recipes to the description box. Check out my recipe ebooks if you're looking for more easy and healthy recipes. I even have a meal prep ebook that has easy recipes like these. There are breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner recipes in the book. I'll add the link down below. Let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you would like to see next. See you guys next week. Bye!